I used to feel frustrated with my smile. No matter what toothpaste or mouthwash I used, I couldn't get rid of bad breath or keep my gums healthy. Then I found ProDentim, and my oral health changed completely. ProDentim is a revolutionary chewable tablet designed to restore balance to your mouth's microbiome. Packed with 3.5 billion probiotics and natural ingredients, it targets the root cause of oral health problems, not just the symptoms. Using ProDentim is simple. Every morning after brushing your teeth, just chew one tablet. That's it. It's quick, effective, and fits seamlessly into your routine. What makes ProDentim so powerful is its blend of proven ingredients. Lactobacillus Paracasei supports gum health and sinus clarity. B.lactis BL-04 balances bacteria in your mouth and boosts immunity. Inulin feeds the good bacteria, helping them thrive. Malic acid naturally whitens teeth, while peppermint keeps your breath fresh all day. Within weeks of using ProDentim, I noticed healthier gums, brighter teeth, and fresher breath. For the first time in years, I felt confident smiling. Thousands of others have had similar results. Emily from New York says, ProDentim changed my life. My teeth are whiter, my gums are healthier, and my breath stays fresh all day. If you're ready to take control of your oral health, click the link in the description below to try ProDentim today. Don't wait. Your best smile is just one chew away.